if y'all read the title, today I'm going to do my approach on shrimp and grits, people. Yes. It's going to be fantastic. Okay, now it's time to fry. Let's turn this thing back up to 5. Watch out, James, because the grease like to splash. Woo. Woo. Okay. Now, people, I'm going to fry these naked on purpose because it works better when you cook naked shrimp. You want to fry them a little bit because on top of your grits, you'll have a crunch in your mouth, people. It'll be a crunch in your mouth. That's what you want, a crunch in your mouth. These are so good. Oh, I forgot to season your grease. People, season your grease. So I'm gonna put a little Old Bay into my grease. A little bit of garlic into my grease. A tad bit of lemon juice. This is just seasoning for your grease, people. Make sure you season your grease. Some black pepper. And some paprika. Just like that, people. Now let me look and see if they've done. Now, people, I didn't use a lot of grease because I can't use this grease for anything else because I put seafood in it. So that's why I use this little thing. And that's why I didn't use, woo! Sorry. Let me hurry up and get this stuff out of this grease before it be disturbed and want to pop. All right, so back. I'm going to show y'all the grits, people. Now, for people who can't cook, no names, you can buy this, people, and you just read the package. A half a cup of water. Okay. So for those of you who can't cook, you just get this little thing. Just like that. A half a cup of water. I'm going to use this small one so I don't waste that big dish. That's too much. See? Half a cup of water. And then you pop this thing inside the microwaver. What time to put it on? On high for 1 to 1.5. So I'm just going to put 1 minute. And then you can do grits this way. Or, people, you can do homemade grits. Look what I'm going to do, people. I told y'all I'm cooking homemade grits, people. So let me turn this thing on high, people. Add a little water. Watch how I do this. Now, I ask y'all a question. Do y'all like butter or shrimp in your grits? If you say butter, just put butter in the comments. If you think sugar, just put sugar in the comments. You tell me. All right, and then people. So I got my thing here. All this is going to be the ingredients for my grits, people. The ingredients for my grits. This is the granola, people. Hold on, James. I got to get a bowl. That's a long 2 minutes. You see this, James? And people, you just mash up your granola. Maybe I should get my cutting board out. I'm going to do this on my cutting board. Where did I put it at? Oh, here it goes. And then I'm going to put it in the bowl later. What? James, why are you laughing? Okay, people. So I got my granola out. What's this? Oh, okay. I don't want to get it on my floor because then I got to clean it up. People, so you just mashing it up. Makai, you watching this? Because y'all going to use instant grits. Nuh-uh, not I. Chef Derrick, we make stuff from scratch, people. I'm going to get to your comments. Okay, people. All right, so that's that. Now I'm going to put it inside the bowl, people. Put it inside the bowl. What was that? Oh, my Instant Pot is done. Okay. We're going to let it cool off, people. I'm not going to get it just yet. Ooh, these gonna be good. People. James, did y'all say what y'all like, butter or sugar?
Butter.
Oh, y'all like butter? Oh. Okay. And then people, breadcrumbs. Now I have to buy some more of these because I was all out.
Bro, what?
Just add some breadcrumbs to it. Bam. That's it. I'm gonna stir it up. And then you stir it up like this, people. Okay, and then you just put it inside the water. And then y'all say y'all like butter, so I'm gonna get some butter out the refrigerator. I gotta cut this. And you use a half a stick, people. A half a stick of butter. Okay. Y'all taking notes? James, you can get close. Y'all taking notes? Don't that look scrumptious? Watch when I put the shrimp on top. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be the bomb. Okay, let me stir this up first real quick, and then I'm going to get to your comments. Ooh. Now, James, look. Y'all see how it's getting thick? You see that? So if it gets too, ooh, it's burning at the bottom. Hold on, people. Gotta add water. Woo! See? Just add water, people. And it won't burn at the bottom. You see? Okay. We're gonna let the butter melt down.
Oh my God.
I like to put sugar in mine, but it's almost done, people. Ooh, people. People. These are done. Let's turn these off.
Oh my God.
James. Ooh, you smell it, James? Don't it smell good? Okay, let's take these off the flame. All right, people. All right, so this is my cream of wheat. I prefer cream of wheat. Let me get another fork. Ooh, I'm almost out of forks. I gotta replenish.
Bruh.
No, James might want an egg on top of his. But it's the same thing. It's just cream of wheat.
Yo, this dude is crazy.
This is what you did today. You mixed it all up. Now, I forgot to tell y'all people, y'all can put an egg on top. You can put a runny egg on top. I don't eat it like that. I don't eat eggs, but. When I bit into that shrimp, that crunch. You want some of this, Star? It is the bomb. Let me see if Kwame ain't want to taste my grits. Because James ain't going to eat it. I don't eat grits. Kwame! You want to taste my grits? Come down and taste on camera. They want to see you. You don't like grits. Sorry, people. Oh, when I go to Star House, I bring the grits. And then I'll see if Gregory want to taste on camera. I might go live again, people. If you...